Today we're exploring the enchanting city of Silvi Paese, nestled in the heart of Italy's stunning Abruzzo region. Join us as we stroll through its winding streets, soak in its rich history, and uncover the hidden gems that make this destination truly special. Silvi Paese is a captivating blend of old-world charm and modern allure. Its medieval streets offer a glimpse into Italy's past, while its vibrant atmosphere captivates visitors from around the globe. Perched on a hill overlooking the Adriatic Sea, Silvi Paese boasts breathtaking views that will leave you in awe. From its historic landmarks to its sun-kissed beaches, there's something here for everyone to enjoy. The history of Silvi Paese dates back centuries, with evidence of human settlement dating as far back as the Roman era. Over the years, it has been influenced by various civilizations, including the Byzantines, Normans, and Lombards, each leaving their mark on its rich cultural tapestry. Today, Silvi Paese is not only a cultural treasure but also a paradise for nature lovers. Its idyllic countryside is perfect for leisurely walks or scenic bike rides, offering a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. And let's not forget about the food. Silvi Paese is renowned for its mouth-watering cuisine, with fresh seafood, handmade pasta, and locally sourced ingredients taking center stage. Be sure to indulge in a traditional Italian meal during your visit. You won't be disappointed. As the sun sets on our journey through Silvi Paese, we hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into one of Italy's hidden gems. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures. And until next time, ciao!